Hi everyone, it has been a bit. So much has happened. I'm actually right now cooking. I'm going to make don't mind the mess, it's such a mess. I'm going to make like a hamburger bowl. So basically like make the meat and then put all your toppings. So yeah, I'll show you guys what I'm doing, but there's so much has happened. I got my surgery, I got married, I have a job. So much has happened in such little time, but I just thought I'd just vlog a little bit and take the opportunity to talk with you guys and let you know everything. So, all right, here's me heating up the oil. I'm gonna put one pan with onion. I'm gonna caramelize some onions, and then in this one I'm going to start sauteing some garlic before I start putting the ground beef. Right here I am getting the garlic cooked and the onions. Now I'm going to start putting my ground beef. So here's the meat. I added some Himalayan salt, some cracked pepper, and some onion powder. There's my onions still going. This is very lean. Here you can see there's like really no fat, which I probably should have added a little bit more olive oil, but it seems like it's going okay because I only put a little bit for the garlic to saute, but we'll see how it turns out. I'm sure it's gonna be just fine. It is coming along. It's looking good. My onions are starting to get there. This is some really nice lean beef. You can see barely any fat. So I'm pretty happy about that. It's looking good. Okay, so I am going to put these onion rings on this cookie sheet. It's a little surprise for my husband. He does not know I got this for dinner. And I wish I realized that there is a little recipe for Chipotle Ranch sauce. I guess next time. But yeah, that looks great. I got all the onion rings on the cookie sheet. And this is looking pretty good. We're getting there. So let's get these onion rings in. Okay, so I set a timer for the onion rings. It needs 15 to 18 minutes. So I did 15 minutes just to see where we'd be at. It looks like the meat's about to be done. The onions are getting close. I need to cut a tomato. So I'm gonna get to that. So I cut up my tomatoes, sprinkled a little bit of Himalayan salt, and crushed black pepper. My favorite way to kind of make tomatoes taste a little better. My husband and I are not big fans of tomatoes, but when I do this, I feel like I like them more. Something I learned with cooking is that timing is everything. So I hope I did my timing right. I'm gonna start grabbing some of the condiments for our bowl to top it with. Some mayo, ketchup, maybe some pickles. What else did we talk about? Oh, I got guacamole. That's gonna be the start of the show. Okay, so got about 2 minutes left on the onion rings. I cut up some lettuce, almost forgot about that. And yeah, so got 2 minutes. So the onion rings are done. Everything's done. Now I'm just waiting for my husband to get out of work. So yeah, I'm excited. So please. So here it is, the meat and the onions. Here are the onion rings, my tomatoes, lettuce, and all the different condiments that we can choose to put on there. And then we're using our little special cups that we got for on our wedding day with this cherry lime drink from Body Armor. It's just like a healthy drink, so, and it tastes really good, so I'm pretty happy about that. So yeah, we're gonna dig in and see how this all tastes. Here is my bowl with my toppings. I put the tomatoes, the lettuce, these bread and butter pickles, they're my favorite. Guacamole, some mayo, and it's, Andrew, can you give me the mayo? It's this mayo that everyone's talking about how good it is. So I'm gonna try it in that. I put some mayo here with some sriracha to make some sriracha mayo for my onion rings. So yeah, I'm gonna dig in. So the next day at work, I brought my leftovers. So yummy. I loved the hamburger bowl. Hey, now this is the day after that. So 2 days later, I ended up doing my own nails. I did Gel X nails. These came out so good. I'm here at work. I was afraid of like anyone hearing me talk. So yeah, but I wanted to show you my nails. So I'm at work. I'm all by myself in the office. I'm like scared here someone's gonna hear me. Trying to figure out lunch with my husband. He is gonna come out for my lunchtime. I want this Venezuelan place, but they're really expensive. Wait, they have it's like an arepa, but it's different. No sides for $15.50. Kidding me? Better be huge. I don't know. I'll find out what I get. So here's me taking a video. My husband doesn't know and then realizes. And here's the food. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you're well. Please subscribe and I'll see you very soon. Bye.